What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create newspaper on Canva. So it's not that hard, and here we are on canva.com. Firstly, of course, you'll have to create an account. As you can see, I have like free version, I don't even have pro, so it's pretty easy. As for us, maybe you'll have to create it for your school, maybe for your blog, it doesn't matter. All we need to do to find the newspaper templates is just to input in a search bar something like this, newspaper, and we'll come to this page where we can find a lot of different templates we can easily use. And how can we customize them, I'll show you in a few seconds. But you need to understand that there are a lot of different templates, like colored, non-colored, like black and white. So it's pretty cool. I think everyone will be able to find something which is suitable as for you. In my case, I'm going to work with colored newspaper. I think this one here is pretty cool. So let's try to click to use this template, and as you can see, it offers like different templates, but I want to use this one. So customize, let's click on customize this template. And as you can see, the design is quite simple. We have like two articles here, the name of our newspaper, the part number or something like this, basically it doesn't matter, and the website we are going to maybe post this newsletter on. So if you're going to click on add page, we can find just a blank page we can easily create. So we can copy and paste the same objects, but in this case let's try to customize something here. So as you can see on the left side, we have a typical typical menu with design where we can change like templates, find the styles. So we can basically customize our template in different styles. So I think it's pretty cool. As for the newsletter, newspaper, something like this, so it's pretty cool. We can find something different. So let's use, for example, this template. As for me, it doesn't matter. And what is really cool, we can add different elements, like as you can see, with different icons, photos, stickers, videos, uploads area to interact with our uploads. Maybe you'll have to paste some photos from yourself. Text draw area where we can, for example, use the highlighter to highlight some stuff. So where is the highlighter? Highlighter is right up here. So sometimes it could be really cool to highlight something. And the projects with projects area. So firstly, let's try to change the part number, let it be the wall 1, and let's try to change the name of our newspaper. So just click, and I'm going to name it Helper Man News. So in order to increase the size, I'm going to click on plus in the top of the screen. And also I want to make it italic to make it a little bit different from these articles. So the first thing we need to do is just to, of course, change the title of our news. So in this case, let's try to create the title about tutorials, because my channel is about tutorials. And let's try to ask ChatGPT to write small article about tutorials, how helpful they are. So you can do the same, or you can write them by your own, and I think it's pretty easy. Let's try to use only the first article, maybe it will be enough. As for us, I'm going to use this stuff, I'm going to select, and I'm going to paste. So as you can see, now it looks like this. In order to make it feel all the stuff not come here, we can increase the width. So let it be like this, for example. And also I want to change the position, I want to rotate, so I'm going to click and then just rotate it a little bit higher. So it depends on the length of our text. And also I'm going to change the image, because as for me it's not suitable. So let's go to tutorials, for example, and I'm going to use this photo here. So how can we change the position? Edit photo. And what is really important is that we need to change the stuff here, position maybe. So let it be, for example, let's make it a little bit harder like this, and to make it feel all this stuff, so let it be like this. For example, I'm going to change the width also to make it feel to make them feel good together like this, for example, and I'm going to place it right up here. And now we need to place all of these stats here, so we can place it a little bit higher. And as you can see, now we have like the first article like we wrote, so let it be like this. And the next like topic we can discover, let it be, for example, we told about tutorials, so now let it be like YouTube tutorials, and same for YouTube tutorials. So let it write, and let's try to use this article here. I'm going to paste it. The same stuff. Let's delete this image. Also, I'm going to delete this even miniature. So let's YouTube tutorials. Is there something suitable? Of course. Let it be like this icon here. I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to paste it right up here. So now we have like 2 topics we can easily discover. We can also add a button like read more in blog to add maybe a link if you're going to export it as a PDF, but in my case I'm going to delete. So let it be like this. And from this page we can easily add our like website link. So let it be like helperman.com. So now we can place it somewhere here, for example. And now as you can see, we have like the first page of our newspaper or something like this. So of course we can add some more links. For let's try to add maybe our YouTube channel link here, our Instagram icon, for example, if you have like if you're going to add the links to them, and also Twitter icon, let it be like this here. So now our newsletter is ready to be exported basically. Now we can just simply click on share. We can click on download, change the parameter, for example, in PDF or PNG. Let's try to export it in a PDF. And then just click on download. And in a few seconds, everything is done. So basically, this is a way of how can we create a newspaper from templates. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.